let's begin with the next set of 25 questions. Before we proceed, there was one of the questions left in the previous set. So this was question 48. There are parables which have been mentioned in Upanishad. So this is incorrect. And then Upanishads were composed after Puranas, and Puranas have been cited in Upanishad. So again, this is incorrect. So neither of them is the option here. Coming on next, which of the following explain total fertility rate? Now this is the second question on population so far. So population studies, we have been seeing increasing number of questions. The previous question was the lower birth rate in which of the following countries, right? So here the average number of live births a woman would have by the end of her childbearing age is what is known as total fertility rate. The next question talks about the NBFCs. The first statement says that non-banking financial companies can assess the liquidity adjustment window of the RBI. That's incorrect. It is only by the scheduled state cooperative banks that they can do. In India, foreign institutional investors can hold government securities. That is correct. And stock exchanges can offer separate trading platform for debt. That is again correct. So both 2 and 3 are the correct option. The next question talks about which of the following can trade with corporate bonds, government securities in India. So here we have insurance company, pension funds as well as retailers. All the 3 are eligible to trade with the corporate bonds and government securities. So all the 3 would be the right option here. The next question talks about which of the following is considered as a financial instrument. Now, in this question, we have to understand that motor vehicle is not a financial instrument. Currency swap is, yes, a financial instrument because it is a contract between two parties to exchange a currency on a specific date or at a predetermined exchange rate which was decided. And exchange traded funds is also a financial instrument because it is basically securities that trade on stock exchanges similar to a single stock, right? So 1 and 3 would be the option here. The next is you have to identify which of the following sectors of the economy is incorrect match, right? So storage of the grain production. Now storage of the grain production is a tertiary activity. It's not a secondary activity. It involves a service that the produce has come from the farm and now you're storing it. Now this is again a question from the very basics of NCERTs. Dairy farm, definitely a primary activity. Mineral exploration, again a primary activity. And weaving of cloth is actually an activity which belongs to a secondary sector. So these 2 are the 2 and 4 are the correct options here. Coming on next, which of the following materials have been used in, coming on next to the question on which of the following material can be used for producing sustainable aviation fuel. So here agricultural residue and wood mill waste are considered as sustainable livestock for producing the sustainable aviation fuel. Again, wastewater treatment sludge has been used and it is feasible, but the technology is still under development. Corn grain, we do not have any specific findings for it because corn can compete with the food production and may not be efficient for may not be an efficient use of land resource, correct? So coming on next, which of the following is a fixed capital and a working capital? So plow is definitely something that you hold, so it is a fixed capital, not a working capital. Computer is a fixed capital. Yarn and petrol, so petrol is a working capital. Okay, now yarn which is used by the weaver, now yarn which is used by the weaver is a working capital, not a fixed capital. Okay, so among these you have 2 of the options which are correct. The next question talks about which of the following phrases is most appropriately used to denote the network of 3D visual worlds that can be accessed by millions of users simultaneously and have a property right over the virtual item. So here the correct answer would be metaverse. Every time we see one of the questions from this section, and this time again there has been one of the questions. So important topic that you must cover. Right. The next question is which of the following rules imposed by RBI while treating foreign banks consider the following statement. Now here There is no minimum capital for the requirement of the wholly owned subsidiaries in India. That is incorrect. So it is a minimum paid up voting equity capital of 5 billion and a wholly owned banking subsidiary in India. Now note, this banking subsidiary we are talking about is a subsidiary from the foreign bank. It's not required that at least 50% of them should be Indian national. So neither of these is correct here, right? The next question talks about CSR, corporate social responsibility rules. Now this rule talks about minimum 2% of the profit to be spent, right? So this becomes incorrect, but yes, it talks about the rules that CSR or the corporate social responsibility cannot be for the benefit of the company or the employees. So this is a correct. Which, with reference to radioisotope thermoelectric generators, which of the following statement is correct? Now these are not miniature fission reactors, so this is incorrect. They are used for powering the spacecraft, so that's correct. And they use plutonium-238, which is generated as a result of weapon development. So basically, plutonium-238 was mainly developed or mainly formed when Savannah reactors were used, and they were used for nuclear deployments, and their byproduct was generated as plutonium-238, which is now used for radioisotope thermoelectric generators. So 2 and 3 are the correct options here. The next is giant stars live much longer as compared to giant stars live much longer than the dwarf stars. So that's incorrect. Because why? Because giant stars have higher rate of nuclear reaction so what happens is they actually use a lot of hydrogen, which is in the core or the inner part, and therefore they actually burn out faster. So we can say they have shorter durations than the dwarf stars. So they don't live longer, but they live shorter. But giant stars have greater rate of nuclear reaction that we already discussed. So 2 is correct, 1 is incorrect. Coming on next, which of the following is used to dilate the blood vessels? So here nitric oxide is used to dilate the blood vessels, and it raises the blood supply, lowering the blood pressure, but it also helps to protect the tissues from damage due to low blood supply, right? The next is radars are used for which of the following activities? They are used to track the migration of the species. They are also nowadays used for monitoring the precipitation, but not identifying narcotics on the passengers, right? So 2 and 3 are the right options here. The next is which of the following aircraft are considered as 5th generation? So very few of the aircrafts have been given the capability of 5th generation aircraft, and in India one of the indigenously built one is the AMCA. So none of these from India. You have Sukhoi 57, which is one of those that could be considered, and then there are others from US. So Lockheed Martin F-22 is one of those. F-35 Lightning II is another one. So here none is the right option. The next question is, where are hydrogels used? So hydrogels are actually used for various biomedical therapies. They are also used as lubricant. So they actually control the amount of volume that passes through. So a controlled drug delivery in patient is one of the ways, and they are also used in industrial lubrication system. So these two uses, it's very much obvious. And then when we are talking about the water which goes through it, actually it extracts the water molecule from the surrounding and reduces the relative humidity, and therefore it is useful in air conditioning system as well, right? So coming on next is, which of the following is seen from the exhaust pipe emissions of the fuel cell electric vehicles? Now when we are talking about fuel cell electric vehicles, they emit two important waste. One is water vapor, the other is warm air. So water vapor would be the right option. Pumped storage hydropowers are used for energy storage, and they are among the latest in development, and they actually are at different elevations or different heights. So water moves from one level to another, and in this process the turbine moves. So we have covered those in our case studies, so refer that carefully. Membrane bioreactors. Again, another important question from environmental science. We had seen another question on sustainable aviation fuel before, and this is the second one. Very, very important. So it is used for wastewater treatment technology. So here, various membrane separations are used with the conventional activated sludge technology to actually separate out the wastewater. The next is collateral borrowing and lending obligations are instruments of money market. So money market is the right option. Now this is a very direct question from the basic definition of what is CBLO. So CBLO is basically an obligation between one who is borrowing and one who is lending, and this is the term of the loan or the conditions that are given. Cicada, froghopper and pond skaters, all of these three are insects. So again, a very direct question that you can see here. Coming on next, you have to identify statements which pertain to chewing gum. So chewing gums that are found in market are source of environmental pollution. That is correct, because they have a synthetic gum base. And what is this synthetic gum base? This synthetic gum base is nothing but a very low quality of plastic. So both the statements are correct, and statement 2 explains what is there in the statement 1. The next is some of the species. So elk is seen in Siberia. So this is incorrect match. Bonobo is a ape which is native to only and only Congo basin. So again incorrect. Indri is an ape, which is indigenously found in Madagascar. So Brazil is again incorrect. So all the three are incorrectly matched here. The next question is World Toilet Organization. Now, World Toilet Organization is an independent organization, a non-profit organization from Singapore, and this actually focuses on three important initiatives: Toilet Summit, Toilet Day, and World Toilet Change. Released in separate years, and also it is now given a status of consultative agency for United Nations Social and Economic Council, right? But it is not one of the agencies, it is just as a consultative status, right? And its main focus is not to grant fund to the less developed countries or developing countries to end the open defecation, but it is mainly to exchange knowledge and provide support. Now the support could be in various ways, not just giving grants, but yes. So here we have 2 as the correct option. The next is lions do not have a particular breeding season. That is a correct statement. It applies to both African as well as Asiatic lions. Cheetahs don't roar. They actually they actually growl when they are in a dangerous state, right? So again, this is correct. Now, the third statement is really important to understand. Unlike male lions, male leopards do not proclaim their territory by scent marking. So leopards actually mark their territory by various ways. It is including the scent, it is including the olfactory as well as the visual marking. So they can have their claw sketches, they can have their visual marks across the trees and the territory. They can also leave the urine marks along. So it includes both. So we cannot say they do not mark by the scent territory. They do mark it by the scent territory as well as visual. So 1 and 2 are obviously correct options here. So 1 and 2 would be the correct option. So we have covered the next set of 25 questions. We'll be covering the final set of 25 questions in the next go, and again coming back with CSET paper 2. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful evening.